Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Teams to LinkedIn for community engagement. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Microsoft Teams to LinkedIn, begin by opening Microsoft Teams on your device. Log into your Microsoft Teams account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Apps. In the search bar at the top, type LinkedIn. Select the LinkedIn integration from the search results. Click on the Add to Teams button. You may be prompted to allow permission for Teams to access your LinkedIn account. If so, follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. Once granted, you'll see a prompt to sign in to your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and log in. After signing in, confirm any additional permissions LinkedIn may ask for. Now, return to the Microsoft Teams interface. Go to a team or a specific channel where you want to use the integration. Click on the plus icon at the top of the channel to add a new tab. Select the LinkedIn integration from the list of available apps. After adding it, you'll be prompted to set up your LinkedIn settings. Choose the options that best suit your community engagement needs. You can now access LinkedIn content directly within Microsoft Teams. Start sharing articles, job postings, and networking opportunities with your team. Encourage team members to engage with the LinkedIn content. Utilize this integration to strengthen your team's professional network. Monitor interactions and conversations to enhance community engagement. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate LinkedIn into your Microsoft Teams experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.